To download Roblox on your PC or laptop, start by opening a web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and navigate to the official Roblox website, roblox.com. Log into your account. Then select any of the available Roblox games and click the play button. Since Roblox is not yet installed, you will be prompted to download and install it instead of the game loading. Choose to download and install Roblox. Then save the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, a message will confirm that Roblox has been successfully installed. Click OK. Then return to the game and click the play button again. You may be asked to choose an application. Select Roblox and open the link. Roblox will then launch, and you can start playing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can ask for help. For more tips and tutorials on Roblox, you can find additional resources.